Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Instagram tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add a link to your Instagram profile on your YouTube channel page. Following the steps in this tutorial will give you a link like this on your YouTube channel, which can definitely lead to more followers on Instagram. So let's go on and get started. The first thing you need to do is go to Instagram.com and log in. Make sure you log into the account that you're hoping to link on your YouTube channel. Once you're logged into your YouTube account, select this little emblem right here that looks like a person in the top right. This is your Instagram profile. Now what we need to do is we need to copy the address right here that's in the address bar. It should be instagram.com/your username on Instagram. So select that text and then copy it. After you've copied this text right here in the address bar, you want to go to youtube.com. And check the description if you get lost. I'll have a detailed write-up down there as well as all the links that I talk about. So once you're at youtube.com, what you want to do is go over and click the avatar in the top right. This should be the image that you selected for your YouTube channel. So just click that. And then in the menu that opens, select your channel. So now you should be logged into YouTube and on your YouTube channel page. Once you're here, what you want to do is you want to click Customize Channel. So now that we've selected Customize Channel, in the tabs right here, under your username, select About. Now at the bottom of the screen, we should see links, and then a little plus symbol next to the word links. We're going to select that. As you can see, we can add up to 5 different links here. So where it says add right here, select that. What we want to do first is paste that text from Instagram that we copied before, which is the address to our Instagram profile. And then in the left text box right here, we just want to type out the message we want displayed on our YouTube channel. So I recommend follow me on Instagram. So once we've added our link text right here, and then the address for our link, just select done. Once you've selected done, go up into the sidebar right here and select my channel. You should now see the link to your Instagram profile right here on your channel. If you click it, it'll open up your Instagram profile. So that's how you add a link to your Instagram profile on your YouTube channel. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Instagram or YouTube tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.